In this video, I will be showing you how to make a YouTube banner on Canva. Let's get started. Starting on the Canva homepage, I navigate over to the left sidebar menu and select Canva AI. Once the main prompt window opens, I click directly into the text box where it asks what we will design today. I select the image option to refine the generation mode, making sure the settings are set to AI quality premium and default aspect ratio. Now I begin typing out a detailed prompt. Create a YouTube banner. Futuristic gaming room setup. Neon cyberpunk aesthetic. Dark blue and purple ambient lighting, glowing mechanical keyboard and dual monitors displaying abstract digital art, hyper-realistic, cinematic lighting, 8K resolution, Unreal Engine 5 render style. Once the full prompt is entered, I head over to the bottom right of the prompt box and click Submit to start generating the visuals. Canva AI immediately goes to work, defining shapes, colors, and sketching visual concepts. After a short waiting period, 3 unique YouTube banner options appear in the panel. I scroll through the generated images to inspect the details, light balance, and overall layout of each cyberpunk gaming setup. I select my favorite design option, opening up a larger preview window to inspect the resolution and quality. Up in the top right corner of the preview screen, I click Use Canva Editor to open the design directly onto a fresh workspace canvas. The image automatically fills the canvas area seamlessly. I collapse the left side panel to give myself a clear, full view of the final artwork on the editor board. Everything looks sharp and properly placed. And there you have it. That's the complete process of how to make YouTube banner on Canva.